Well, it's become that time. I know you guys all wanted to see this HHR get built, but I really don't think this car is worth a motor swap. I'd probably run another one if I got it, but it would honestly have to be running. All you guys are saying put a Toyota Camry motor into it, but realistically, the Ecotechs are great motors. I'm just worried about space. That's a pretty tight engine bay down in there, and I just don't think that a Toyota Camry motor would really fit that well into this car. It's a shame because this one has like zero rust, but you know, you can do what you can do, right? What we're gonna do is we're just gonna stuff it full of other cars' interiors and take it into scrap. We've already cut out all the electrical. I have to cut out the seat belt still, and then once all that out, then we'll start loading it up. We'll be stripping the Toyota Camry that I bought the other day, the $500 or best offer car. And then we'll probably be putting this one in the backyard and then driving another one up and repeating the process until the HHR is filled with junk Camry parts. So, sorry guys, I know that y'all wanted to see this thing get built, but unfortunately, she's gonna become crusher food. The fuel pump's very happy in this one. Try her again. Once she gets going, she's fine. Maybe we'll pull up the Accord next. I'm not too sure. Maybe a Camry. We're just trying to get this thing stuffed pretty quickly so we can get it into scrap sometime this week. So let's get the next car pulled up. So we have another Camry strip. Okay, go for it. What'd you do? So this is what we're going to strip next. This is a little bit different than what you guys see here a lot of the times. This is a, I'm going to say 99, 2000, 98? What year is it, Eddie?
99.
99 Toyota. Oh, hold on.
99 Honda Accord.
I messed up. It's a 99 Honda! Woo! I'm just joking. I don't know what I'm going to do with this car. If it was 4-cylinder, I could do a lot more with it, but unfortunately, this has that powerful 3.0 V6. So what does that mean? That means that this runs with Crown Vics, Luminas, Tauruses, anything over 106 and has a V6 is big car around me. So this will go against Cadillacs, all that fun stuff. Overall, this car's really not that bad. We're just going to do a quick strip of the car to fill up the rest of that HHR, which is almost 100% full. But we're going to go through it and take a look. You guys seen me race that Acura TL last year. This is pretty much the same kind of car, except it's not as sporty and not as powerful. Worst comes to worst, we might take this up to Mum's Mud Bog, where they're having the Mum's Rally Race, which is a 50-lap endurance race with dirt jumps and bank corners. So I think that would be fun. We're just going to try to strip the rest of some of this out of here to fill up that HHR, but I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing with this car yet, as of yet. So the HHR is all filled up now. She'll be going into scrap soon. Yeah, I'm still gonna pull some parts out of the front end of this car, but oh well, she's onto scrap. Can fit a little bit more on there, but after 2 full Camrys, interior-wise and trunk-wise, we still have enough space to drive it on. So she'll be going into scrap. No, it is not actually that heavy. I sold the rear spring out of this thing, but I don't know. It's kind of a shame. Would have been nice to derby another one of these, but the problem is it needed a motor. So I was not going to put a motor into it. It just wasn't worth it. I'd definitely derby another one if it came up, but it would have to be running good. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. And the HHR is going to be off to scrap very shortly. Take care. See you tomorrow.